we've relocated and have been living in Dampier, the Pilbara, WA for a few months. Does it feel good, babe? You! Biffy's on! First fish of WA! Or is it? I think you got a snag, babe. Previously finishing a working stint in country Victoria. We are working travellers. I'm Ash the bricklayer and my fiancée is Rachel the nurse, and we have been doing this for 4 years. Anyway, I won't blibber blabber for too long, but recently we have settled into new work, Rachel working with Karratha Health Services in their tiny town of Roban, and me, I've been working with a local construction mob who often do mining contracts, and I've been laying bricks on the side when I can. On the way up north I met this bloke Mackie at a roadhouse. He's also a Troopy owner and lives in Karratha, and just like that we became mates. He's a keen fisher and invited me on his boat. This is how the day went. Good morning. So we're going for a little fishing mission out here. My first creek fishing mission with my new mate Mackie. I met at a service station, he pulled up in his Troopy, and the rest is history. If you've got a Troopy then you know what I'm talking about. But yeah, we're gonna head up to a couple of creeks. We're chasing barra, but if we get the bycatcher of some jacks or a thready or something like that, not gonna complain about that either. So I'm gonna chuck some crab pots in also. So yeah, it's very hot, flies are friendly, boat's in the water. My new mate Mackie, he's also got a YouTube channel as well, so let's hope for a good day.
Off the boat, there's a couple of different ways.
What size net is that one, like 6 foot?
Yeah, I think so, about that. Do one there, and then like one, about a metre. Grab it all in one finger. Grab another bit with one finger. It's really easy when it's not tangled. And then just throw.
Not better than my throws. We used these dilly pots before, but pretty sure it's all the same thing.
Frisbee and hard.
Maybe just here right in front of me, you reckon?
Yeah.
As you can see, we've gone pretty heavy on the bait. We're not mucking around here.
Good enough, good enough.
So we just rocked up to this bit of a sandbank. Water's looking beautiful for a creek, and we're gonna throw some cast net for some bait. So I've got my cast net, I've used it once. I'm a bit of an apprentice, but it's a big 9-foot stonker. I think it's way too big for learning, but I have used it once and I was catching a few baits. Oh, look at that, what a throated. Happy days.
Yes, this is barra for sure. I like doing that with these.
I think once you learn, because it's so big, like once you can master it, you've got a massive fan. Dude,
we got enough bait. Especially, so these two here, this size and that size, will be the ones that will catch us. Feels like
the stonkers. Stonkerinos.
I'll go for one more throw. Yeah, look, there's tons of fish like here, look at this.
Beautiful.
That's it. So originally I used to always hook them through the tail like that, but I've just recently learned that hooking them through the mouth like this gives them more of a chance to flick, swim, more of a like that.
That's a good idea, eh?
So he's able to flick more, be more natural, move in the water and everything. And this is the reel setup here. This is called a bait runner. So flick him open after you cast him to where you want him to be, and then you just flick this little lever down here, and then wait till you hear those clicks, let him go for a run, leave it, and then when he goes for that second run, the fight's on. This is a bait runner.
I like it.
Centimetre barra, you watch, guys.
We've got fish under us. Mackie's had a couple of wicked hits, but he's been baited, so I'm just going to jig me little lure here.
Look at this. What is it? What is it? Oh, Jack! No, finger!
Oh, it's a finger mark.
Woohoo!
Happy days. Gonna bring her over here.
Yeah, boy.
Man, that is instant.
Instantly. Oh. He's fighting hard.
Happy days, man.
Whoa!
Nice little finger mark.
Fish on the board.
Dude, they love squid, man.
Oh, man,
we got heaps of
squid.
We got heaps of squid. Hopefully the first of many. Yeah. Oh, you bastard. Baited. Dude, they're here. Mackie's on again.
Holy shit, this
Clean
one
it
is
up.
a big one.
And that's on the squid, isn't it?
Yeah, that's on the squid. Where's the net? I don't know
I'll get the
what
net.
this is.
What is it?
He's got a bit to go.
It's probably a jack, dude.
That would be good if it was a jack, like 40 centimetre jack.
Swinging around.
Oh, still going.
Dude, what's that anchor rope? Dude, I reckon this is jack. Oh, it's a stonker, man.
It's a yeah, boy. Oh, mate,
bros.
that's awesome. That is what we're after, guys.
Dude, happy days.
Whoa, that is wicked.
The finger mark, honey hole. You. Mackie with his second beautiful goldie or finger mark.
What's he sitting at? 44. 44, 45. Man, I'm stoked, guys.
Right, you can drink beer now too. Oh, nut baited. Oh man, they're just playing with me, dude. On.
On, yep.
Pump them on.
Oh, where is he?
What do I?
What do you got?
What the, is that a catty? Oh my god, I have a catfish.
Oh my god.
Max is catching bloody stonkers and I'm catching catties.
I got the net out ready to go.
Oh. Yeah. Oh.
Definitely.
Finally. Don't think this one's a catty.
Oh,
it's a cod. Little cod leak. A catfish to a cod leak. We're getting better.
He's slowly upgrading, everybody.
At least we know there's fish here, eh? Oh, come on.
That was good.
Honskies.
Oh, yes.
Pump them on. Pump them on. Snags everywhere, dude.
Oh, you're going to get snagged up.
No. I'm in the snag, but I think I've got
right. Oh, it's that same cod.
Surely not. It is too.
Do you reckon it's the same one? Nah.
Dude.
Nah, it can't be.
That's his brother. No, that's a little bit bigger. Oh, come on, little poo-poo. Yep. Onskis. Little tacker. What is that?
Fingering?
It's a little salmon, dude.
No, it's a salmon.
Is it? No, it's a little dewy, man. That's
Dewy.
Is it a mulloway or a dewy?
I think that's a...
I think that's a mulloway,
I have
man.
no idea. I'm gonna wreck fish it right now. Nah, that's definitely not a salmon. I know blue nose salmon.
Yeah.
And 30s. Oh shit! I got a hit.
Dude, we are on.
Oh, it's happening.
It's happening. Dude, I'm pretty sure this is a little mulloway.
I just want to Google. I'm gonna wreck fish that.
Dude, what is that? What is that, gang?
Black jewfish. Mulloway? No. It looks like...
I think it's a little dewy or a little mulloway.
Have a look at this thing.
Let us know in the comments.
Does it look like this? Ash, have a look at that. It looks northern mulloway. It looks like
Dude,
that.
that's it.
That's him.
Black
That's the
dewy.
mulloway. Black jewfish. What? Imagine if we get one of them. How big do they got to be? 700.
Dude, you get these like there. You get these like 1200, like 1400. There you go.
And they're good eating too.
So we're not just catching fish, we're bloody ticking off bucket list fish.
Yes, we're catching a variety. I love it.
See a little dewy. What flies? There's no flies here. Oh my god. One's trying to make a home out of my ear. Oh, yeah, fishy, fishy.
Oh, ready?
Mackie's on again.
Oh, look at this.
Is there a bit of weight behind it?
Yeah, he's going hard.
Really?
Look at it just scream, ready?
Oh, dude, I'm on too, I think. How does it feel?
Oh, it feels pretty heavy, about the same size as the other finger mark.
Come on, Mr. Fingermark. I don't know if Baz eats.
Oh, he's fighting him.
I don't know if Baz eats bloody squid.
Oh, he's bricked me.
No.
Yeah, I'm pulling that boat. Oh, he's coming out a bit. Yep.
Dude.
Come on, what is it? Oh,
Oh, it's a double banger. You've got my line.
and now, oh, no.
Maybe I'm on.
No. What, can you feel it? You got something.
Yeah, so I'm on. My little hand lining.
He's handline. What do you got?
We've got a bit of a tangle going on.
This is
Oh, the Codmaster strikes again.
No, the double cod.
Bloody kicking goals, mate. I reckon they're brother and sister, eh?
Shit, can't believe that.
Oh man, I don't want to deal with this mess. The water's looking good now. Caddy?
Pilbara,
What is it? Oh, Rocky.
Rockamundi.
Never any shortage of them, eh?
You got
I reckon a cod.
fishing's picking up. No,
Oh,
what's
it's a
that?
brimski.
Brim.
I think it's a brim.
Fat old brim.
That's a good sized brim, Russ. So I'm pretty sure that is a black brim. I'm not 100% sure. Let me know. And Mackie's got another cod.
Another one.
The
Another
cod
one for the
fiver.
Troopy cabinet.
And if I'm sounding a bit muffled, this is what we've resorted to. The flies are getting in my eyeballs, in my nose. This is the Pilbara. So yeah, still wouldn't have it any other way. Alright gang, you're not allowed to laugh at me. We are Sparta. That wasn't too bad. Whoa. I reckon I got some hermit crabs. Massive bust up here. It was that big it sounded like a bloody crocodile. I think it was a Baz smashing up that bank. So. Whoa. Oh, you fucking kidding me? Fuck! Rightio, Mackie. Think it's about that time?
Yeah, mate.
We've probably left it a bit late,
I
but
think we've earned this beer.
well, you have. I'm just the codmaster.
Don't worry, I'll change. Cheers, mate.
Cheers, buddy. Whew. And the best cold beer is to transform you into a barramundi.
Holy shit, mine's going too.
Is it?
I just put it in the water.
We've got some assassin fish, I reckon.
Shark.
We've got the mouth of the river here. Tide is starting to come in, we think. Seagulls are waiting for barramundi too. Just shoot its face off. Look at that. Look at that. That was a live bait like 30 seconds ago. Yep. Finally we're on. Could this be the barra we've been waiting for?
This is a barra. Is it jumping?
What is this? Probably a catfish.
Oh, nothing's jumping. What is it?
Probably a mullet.
Oh,
What do you know?
mate. Your mate, he's back.
Cod.
He's followed us up river.
So cod number 957. Phew. And we got another brimski. Found a hook.
It's going to drift in slowly and
Crab pot number 1.
going to do the honours and pull in 3 muddies.
Come on, muddies.
I'll just throw that.
Nothing. Not even a nibble. Nada. If I was a crab, I would want to eat that. Nothing.
Right.
It's so strange, eh? We'll have to be mud crabs up here galore. Rightio, I think we're pulling the pin. We've been on the water since about 6:30 AM. I think we're out here, but current time check is nearly 4 o'clock, so it's been a decent day. Lots of fish caught. Bloody Mackie's been onto those goldies earlier. That was grouse. Other than that, everything's been pretty small, but it's been a good day out. We've caught like lots of different fish: cod, brim, catfish, dewies. Seen a turtle, but yeah, it's been a cracker. So I think we'll have a bit of a trawl out here on the way home, and that'll be the end of it, I think. So yeah, thanks for watching. Cheers, Mackie. He's busy cleaning the boat.
Yeah, too easy, mate. Anytime, don't worry. There's going to be a couple more adventures.
Hell yeah, I'll have to get out to the blue water, do a bit of diving.
Definitely, that's on the cards. Blue water next time. Even another barra trip.
Hell yeah.
Hopefully when I suss the river out a bit better.
Hopefully less flies.
Less flies.
We'll bring our fly nets next time, but yeah. Good time out here in the Pilbara. We'll see you next time.